PSA, this video is made in complete compliance with YouTube's counterfeit policy. I want to make it very clear that I'm not endorsing, marketing, or selling counterfeit items, so do not buy counterfeits. This video is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes. Just before the video starts real quick, I just want to let you guys know that every single product in this video is from our website. All links will be in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another banger. It's your boy Ken, and today in the city of Toronto, it's a chilly day, so you already know there's no better day to do a sweater haul video. It's already sweater season, so here we got a good spread of sweaters. We got essentials, we got Denim Tears, we got some wild card stuff, and we have a Sp5der hoodie here, the big Goliath. But we'll save the best for last. As always, all the links for these products will be over on my website, repfinds.co. So without any further ado, let's get into taking a deeper look into these products, starting with the Essentials hoodie. Let's go. The Essentials hoodie, you can see the lettering here, looking fantastic. I've thrown this in the wash and it came out just fine. All the letters stayed on, the tag stayed on, and I can tell you these look like they're gonna stay on for a while. So these aren't going anywhere. And we got the essentials over here as well. If I had to give this a rating, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. My biggest gripe with this hoodie is that this hood, after wearing it a couple times, I've realized that it's a little too small. So I've upgraded the badge on the website. So if you go and cop that, you're gonna get the proper sized hoodie. But nevertheless, this is a really good hoodie for the price. This only cost me $10. The new badge is a couple dollars more, probably like $11-12, but that's no big deal. Give or take, it's still $10. Yeah, and this product, solid 9 out of 10. On to the next. So over here we got a bit of a wild card product. This isn't branded at all. You can see over here on the tag, there's not a single brand to be found. This is a blank hoodie that I got in my last haul, and I did lose the drawstrings. I've been wearing this thing for like 3 months straight. I lost them in the laundry, got lazy, never put them back in. But that's not really an issue. This hood is perfectly sized. It has a perfect weight. I think this was like 800 grams. You can see on the inside as well, the material nice and fluffy, bro. For $8, yes, you heard that right. This only cost me $8. I don't know if I still have the link for this. I swear I'm not gatekeeping. But if I do, I will post it on my Discord and I'll post it on my website as well. As always, repfinds.co, that's the plug. And yeah, really solid product, 10 out of 10. On to the next. So we got the ready-made tiers, the Denim Tears X ready-made hoodie. You can see over here. This is actually very similar to the blank I just showed you, but the material in this is low-key a lot softer. I don't know how to explain it. This does have some issues with it though, like right over here there's some tearing, but I think that's just a bad blank. If you don't get unlucky, make sure to double, triple check all of your QC so this doesn't happen to you. But the puff print feels really nice. Honestly, better than the Sp5der hoodie's puff print, but I don't know, maybe that's just how it is. But yeah, really nice hoodie. The sleeves are a little tight for my liking. They're snug. I like a more oversized hoodie like the Essentials hoodie, but other than that, super good hoodie. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. We got the big Goliath, the big daddy, the big Bertha even of hoodies. This is what everybody came for. And starting off with the inside tags, you can see none of those bullshit budget tags that you get, and it comes with this cute little spider on the inside as well. I'll put a picture up on the screen, but a lot of the time with these budget badges, you'll get these super shit tags on the inside, so stay away from those. Pico badge is the best that you can get for the price. And taking a look at the actual blank quality, it's a little bit rough for my liking, but honestly, I think this is close. It's close to retail, but it's not what I want. I want a soft hoodie, bro. And then finally for the puff print, sorry, you can see here. Now that I feel it, honestly, I think this is low-key better than the Denim Tears puff print, but it's not. The blank material isn't as soft as the Denim Tears. But overall, this is a really good hoodie. This cost me $20. I think I actually got this on sale for less than that, like $15 or something. So for the price, you're getting so much material. You're getting such a nice hoodie. I'd give this a 10 out of 10 as well. I'm actually going to be giving this away, so stay tuned for that over on my Discord. If you stayed to the end, I want to thank you so much for watching. And as always, every single product in this video is going to be on our website. All the links will be in the description. You can see we got every single item you could hope for, wish for. Any single item that you want is on the website. And if it's not, just join our Discord and I'll help you find it myself. And with that being said, boys, it's been your boy Ken, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.